in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb is shaped like a deer.